Setting your heating schedule. To set your heating schedule, first press the Next button, then use the dial to go to Heating Schedule and press Next to enter. You will see 5-2 day on the screen, which is weekdays and weekend settings. Use a dial for 24-hour, which is the same every day, and 7-day, which is each day independently. For this example, we were using 5-2 day. You can use the dial to amend between Monday to Friday and Saturday to Sunday. Press Next to enter. Use the dial to amend your first start time. Once happy, press Next to move on to your selected end time. Again, use the dial to amend, and once happy, press the Next button to bring you onto the temperature setting. Use the dial to amend, and once happy, press Next. This will take you into program 2. The start time for the following event will always be the same as the end time for the previous. Simply follow this process through all timed events. At the end, when you press Next and all timed events are programmed, this will save and your timed events are now set.